Hi everyone, it's Polkadot Insider here, and welcome back to our educational video series. Today we walk into a new tutorial about Centrifuge, the on-chain ecosystem for structured credit on Polkadot. And in this video, we have in-depth learning about Centrifuge and try to invest in a real-world asset pool on Centrifuge. Let's check it out. Before that, let's take a look at what real-world assets is and how much it is needed in the crypto market. Real-world assets are physical assets that can be tokenized and represented on-chain, and this new asset class could catalyze the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency. And according to some estimates, the RWA sector could reach $16 trillion by 2030. Wow! RWAs are assets like precious metals, commodities, real estate, equities, and even cars that can be tokenized and represented on the blockchain. An example of it is a fiat-backed stablecoin where $1 is held in a bank and then tokenized on the blockchain, giving it DeFi superpowers. The benefits of RWAs are numerous. They can save money by cutting out intermediaries and rent seekers, provide access to smaller investments by allowing investors to buy a small piece of a more significant asset with a token, and improve loan access for emerging market businesses. On another side, RWAs can also enhance liquidation in traditional illiquid assets like real estate, fine art, and private equity, and provide transparency by allowing investors to see ownership's economic value and history. Okay, that's the preliminary information about real-world assets, and now let's get into the main part of today's video. It is experience of investing in real-world assets on Centrifuge. And Centrifuge is a decentralized finance lending protocol that aims to make credit more accessible to small businesses while providing a stable yield for investors by opening pool liquidity to the world of traditional finance. Centrifuge aims to build an on-chain ecosystem for structured credit with outstanding key points such as transparency, lower cost of capital, equal and open participation, DeFi liquidity assets, diversification, and security. As one of the first protocols to bring real-world assets on-chain, the Centrifuge team is trying their best to build a better financial system. To realize this mission, the Centrifuge is working closely with Block Tower, MakerDAO, AAVE, Polkadot, Ethereum, Moonbeam, and Flow Carbon. At present, Centrifuge is performing impressively and gaining amazing achievements like $410 million in total assets finance, 1,160 assets tokenized, and 143% in TVL growth year over year. Alright, to start experiencing Centrifuge's application, we need to click on Centrifuge app in the website's main interface. And after entering the interface of application, we need to connect to the non-custodial wallet by clicking on the Connect button in the top right corner. And then we choose the network we want to use in a Centrifuge, and currently the project is supporting two main networks, Centrifuge and Ethereum. If we choose Centrifuge network, we'll be able to use wallets like Talisman, Subwallet, and Polkadot.js. And if we choose Ethereum network, we're able to use wallets like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase Wallet. And in this video, we use Ethereum network with MetaMask wallet. And to connect, we select Ethereum logo and then select the MetaMask logo. Okay, in the main interface of Centrifuge app, we can see many pools appearing. We can choose one of the following pools to start investing in, and the essential criteria when choosing our collection are senior, APR, and TVL. And after careful consideration, we choose REIF pool, the commercial real estate pool, and after assessing the collection, we press the Onboard to REIF Drop button. To continue, we must link the wallet and select the appropriate investor type, and here we choose individual. And after that, we proceed to verify the identity to continue, and some information needed, such as national ID, passport, or traveler's license may be used to demonstrate. And after verifying the identity, we continue providing the tax information and the signed subscription agreement contract. Okay, the very next step is sign subscription agreement. And after reading carefully all the terms, we click on the sign to complete the process. And in this step, please note that we need some ETS to pay the transaction fee. And after completing the steps to sign subscription agreement, we'll wait a few days to receive the agreement from the pool organizer, and this process can take a few business days. And when receiving the subscription agreement, we can start investing in the real-world assets. Okay, that's a video about Centrifuge, the first protocol to bring real-world assets to DeFi on Polkadot, as well as how to use this amazing platform. And if you really enjoyed the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Polkadot Insider for more insightful videos. Bye, see you next time.